Hi, I'm Dr. Micia Mosely, the founder and director of the Black Teacher Project. Whew, what a week. What a week it is. This first week of November in 2024. We, in this country, have just moved through our national and local elections. And for many of us, the outcomes are not what we wanted. We're disappointed. We're angry. We're frustrated. We're feeling lots of feelings, and it's important that we do so. It's important that we take time to grieve, that we take time to support one another, that we take time to heal. If you've been organizing, if you've been fighting for liberation, whether it's on a national level or a local level, for many of us, it's just not turning out the way we wanted. And we understand that we are part of a long legacy of folks who've been fighting. I'm frustrated and I'm upset, but I'm also hopeful. I'm hopeful because I'm watching people across the country, people in my communities come together to support each other, to feel our feelings. Like, it's real easy just to be like, okay, we stand on the shoulders of our ancestors. Let's go get it. It's going to be okay. Y'all, we're feeling feelings, and go ahead and feel those. Be upset, be angry. But I implore you, don't get stuck. Take the time to be still. Take the time to make meaning for yourself of this moment. And not just yourself doing it alone, but in community as well. And when you're ready, because you will be ready, it'll be time to move again. It'll be time to organize some more. And so now we take time to organize around our healing. Now we take time to take care of ourselves and each other. And so this long march to fall break, right? I often come on and give a message to Black teachers about self-care. We need it now more than ever. I'm grateful that I've been able to be a student of history, to understand the context that my ancestors were in 1824 and in 1924. I understand the history that we are writing in 2024. And I know it's just that. It's a part of history that we are writing now, and we will have to reckon with it. But like in all points of history, there have been those who have been on the right side of justice, and we will continue to make our voices heard. I'm grateful for Black teachers. I'm grateful for the work that folks are doing in their classrooms to teach the truth, to take care of our young people, to take care of ourselves. And so I invite you, as I always do, to thank Black teachers. You know, I often wonder what this world would have been like had in 1954, some 70 years ago, we had integrated schools in a different direction. If we had had young people come into Black schools and learn what would the last 70 years have looked like with Black teachers guiding, learning, and teaching. I wonder, but also I know, it would look different. And so in the absence of being able to change the past, we look ahead. We look ahead to possibility, and we work together to create this world that we want, this world that will work for everyone. So take time now, take care of yourselves, and know that we have more work to do.